Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML project or website to GitHub. This is a fantastic way to store your web projects online, share them with others, or even host them using GitHub pages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your GitHub account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you complete that step as well to get into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. Here, look at the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. These are all the projects you've created or contributed to on GitHub. Navigate through this list and click on the repository where you want to upload your HTML project. If you haven't created a repository yet for this project, you'll need to create one first before proceeding with the upload. After opening your chosen repository, look for the Add File button. This button is typically located near the top of your repository's file list. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a couple of options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This will take you to a new page specifically designed for uploading content to your repository. On the Upload page, you have two convenient options for adding your HTML files. You can either drag and drop your files directly onto the designated area, or you can click the Choose Your Files button if you prefer a more traditional approach. Both methods work perfectly well, so use whichever feels more comfortable for you. If you click Choose Your Files, a file browser window will open up. Navigate through your computer's file system to locate the HTML file you want to upload. This could be a single HTML file, a CSS file, JavaScript files, or even an entire folder containing your website project. Once you've found the file or files you need, select them and click Open. Your files will then appear in the Upload area, showing you exactly what's about to be added to your repository. Now that your files are ready, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Commit Changes. This action finalizes the upload process and saves your HTML project directly to your GitHub repository. Depending on the size of your files, this might take a moment, so be patient while GitHub processes everything. And there you have it. Your HTML project is now successfully uploaded to GitHub, ready to be shared, collaborated on, or deployed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.